See wonders in the night so true. Hearts find peace as they glide on through. Every glow, a promise made anew. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. In the calm, just let it show. Shadows drift in a slow ballet. Nature's lullaby begins to sway. Every note in a sweet array, painting silence with a touch of gray. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries free, let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. Let it flow in the calm. Just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth like a blooming flower. In the quiet, will never sour. Feel the night breathe soft and low. Let your worries freely go. Close your worries freely go. Close your eyes and let it flow. And let it flow in the calm. Just let it show. Let it show. In the stillness of this twilight hour, find your strength and gentle power. Feel the depth like a blooming flower. In the quiet, will never sour. In the quiet, we're never sour.
I almost gave up on the time. Thought love was a train I missed. Watched it roll past in the distance, carrying all my wishes. I learned how to sleep in the silence, made peace with an empty side. Told myself I was fine alone, even when I lied. Almost every maybe, every door that closed on me, let me hear without me knowing what it meant to be. You were the wait, every second, every heartbreak, every tear that wouldn't fade, led me to your arms that night. You were the fall, all the times I hit the bottom, all the nights I felt forgotten. Now I see it all so clear. Love showed up right here. You were the way. I wore my doubt like a shadow, let it follow sky hung like a promise made. Every road I wandered pulled me through fragments of a life I outgrew. I wore every silence like a coat, held the weight of words I never spoke. Now the wind don't question where I've been, it just lets me breathe again. There's a stillness calling out my name, not a place, not a face, not a flame. I am in the space I couldn't see, in the quiet that was waiting for me. Not a door, not a light, but a feeling I don't have to fight. All the miles fall out of my bones. I don't need a road to know I am home. I am home. I am home. Old ghosts fade in the open air, lose their shape when I stop the stare. Every shadow softens in the sun, every ending folds into one. I don't chase what I used to chase. Time don't move at the same old pace. There's a rhythm underneath my skin that I'm finally listening. No walls, no keys, no lines to trace. No map could ever hold this place. It was breathing under every doubt. I just had to let it out. I am home in the air I breathe, in the truth I don't have to leave. Not a road, not a past to outrun, just a life that's finally begun. All the miles fall out of my bones. I was never alone. I am home. I am home. I am home. I am home. I wanna sing like birds sing. No reason, no warning, no perfect rain, no cage, no ceiling, just stare in my lungs. Wide open feeling, let it rise, let it fall, let it break, let it ring. I don't need a name for anything. I just wanna sing like birds sing. I try to measure every sound, chase every step, keep it all pinned down. But freedom is where I let go, and all the places I don't control. There's a tremble I can't contain, a fragile kind of untamed. And even if it shakes my voice, it's still a louder kind of choice. Now every echo is turning true. I hear a version of something